Hello and welcome to the MuleBytes series presented by the Center of Excellence team at Royal Cyber. In this video, we are discussing about MuleSoft monthly release updates for May 2023. May 2023 releases updates. Anypoint Runtime Fabric patch for versions 4.4.0, 4.3.0 and 3.9.5. This release displays the policy definition version. Cloud Hub 2.0 runtime and operating system for versions 4.4.0 and 4.3.0. Anypoint Partner Manager. You can now select HTTPS to send endpoints with self-signed SSL certificates when editing an existing message flow. JSON module is upgraded. Anypoint Flex Gateway no longer crashes due to a memory leak in FluentBit. Anypoint Studio plugin no longer ignores the Maven parameters set for the package in the base command line when configuring the build. API kit for OData 4 is now upgraded. Mule updated the Anypoint Studio and added new features like Studio Debugger no longer has issues with VM or JMS connector when using publish operations. RPA Builder now supports uploading workflows to the activity library and it no longer fails. Mule Maven plugin is updated and reported security vulnerabilities are now fixed. Mule updated the M unit and reported security vulnerabilities are now fixed. Mule updated the Cloud Hub dedicated load balancer and operating system security patches are fixed. Now in Cloud Hub, you can now automatically pass in all Mule applications properties as a system properties. The RPA bot run configurations in the desktop mode now supports an individual user. Aggregators module now includes the new system properties. API kit for Mule release fixes bugs and updates dependencies. Anypoint Runtime Fabric 2. The Runtime Fabric now supports Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service anywhere. Anypoint Access Management Profile Linking capability is now available for all organizations globally. Mule upgraded the OAuth module. Mule improved RPA Manager execution tabs for run configurations. API Manager 2 now correctly shows disabled policies. Anypoint API Community Manager reported security vulnerabilities are now fixed. MuleSoft Accelerator for Healthcare has enriched the data available to Salesforce Health Cloud users by making updates to the Health Cloud system APIs through improved mappings and code optimizations. Upgraded and fixed the bugs of mostly used connectors including FTP connector, NetSuite connector, QuickBooks Online connector, Box connector, Marketo connector, SAP S4HANA SOAP connector, Amazon S3 connector, Express EDA connector, Anypoint MQ connector, Amazon Kinesis connector, Confluent Schema Registry connector, Jira connector, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Cloud connector, Viva Vault connector, Google BigQuery connector, Salesforce connector, FTP connector, File connector, Apache Kafka connector, Google PubSub connector, Workday connector, SharePoint connector, Amazon DynamoDB connector, Cassandra connector, Microsoft .NET connector, and Amazon EC2 connector. And that brings us to the end of today's topic. Thank you for watching this episode of MuleBytes series. If you have any questions or need help in implementing this in your project, drop us an email at info@royalcyber.com and we would be happy to help. And do let us know what topic would you like to learn in the upcoming episodes in the comment section down below. Finally, hit the bell icon to subscribe to the channel to get more such exciting videos directly in your inbox if you haven't done yet. Thank you for watching and stay safe.